B Pharmacy, second semester, subject Computer Application in Pharmacy। हम इस वीडियो में कंसेप्ट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम एंड सॉफ्टवेयर के कुछ टॉपिक कवर करेंगे, जो हैं इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, सॉफ्टवेयर, इंफॉर्मेशन गैदरिंग, रिक्वायरमेंट एनालिसिस एंड फिजिबिलिटी एनालिसिस। Concept of information system and software. Data. Data is a collection of raw facts and figures. The word raw means that the facts have not yet been processed. Data can be defined as a representation of facts, concepts, or instructions in a formalized manner, which should be suitable for communication, interpretation, or processing by human or electronic machine. Data is represented with the help of characters such as alphabet A to Z, digit 0 to 9, and special characters like plus, minus, alpha, beta, gamma. Information. Information is organized or classified data which has some meaningful values for the receiver. Information is processed data on which decision and action are based. Information also relates to knowledge, as knowledge signifies understanding of an abstract or concrete concept. For the decision to meaningful, the processed data must qualify for the following characteristics. First, timely. Information should be available when required. Second, accuracy. Information should be accurate. Third, completeness. Information should be complete. An information system is a set of interrelated computer components that collect, process, store, and provide output of the information for business purpose. A computer application is a computer software program that executes on a computer device to carry out a specific function or set of related functions. Information system is the study of complementary networks of hardware and software that people and organizations use to collect, filter, process, create, and distribute data. Another definition is information system are combination of hardware, software, and telecommunications network that people build and use to collect, create, and distribute useful data, typically in organizational settings. One more. Information systems are interrelated components working together to collect, process, store, and disseminate information to support decision making, coordination, control, analysis, and visualization in an organization. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. Software is not tangible. It cannot be touched. When programmers create software programs, what they are really doing is simply typing out lists of instructions that tell the hardware what to do. There are several categories of software, with the two main categories being operating system software, which make the hardware usable, and application software, which does something useful Example of operating system include Microsoft Windows on a personal computer and Google Android on a mobile phone. Example of application software are Microsoft Excel and Angry Birds. Information gathering. Information gathering strategies. The strategy consists of identifying information sources, evolving a method of obtaining information from the identified sources and using an information flow model of organization. Information sources. The main sources of information are user of the system, forms and documents used in the organization, procedure manuals, rule books, etc. Reports used by the organization and existing computer program. Requirement analysis. Requirement analysis is the process of defining the expectations of the user for an application that is to be built or modified. Requirement analysis involves all the tasks that are conducted to identify the needs of different stakeholders. Therefore, requirements analysis means to analyze, document, validate and manage software or system requirements. High quality requirements are documented, actionable, measurable, testable, traceable, help to identify business opportunities and are defined to facilitate system design. Feasibility analysis. Feasibility analysis is used to assess the strength and weakness of a proposed project and give direction of activities that shall improve a project and achieve desired result. Requirement determination sub-activities. Requirement anticipation. The system analyst hypothesized that particular requirements are relevant based on his or her previous experience with other similar systems and knowledge about the problem domain. Requirements elicitation. The system analyst used this activity to gather the essential requirements from the user, employing a variety of techniques such as interviews, questionnaires, group brainstorming, meetings, and voice and emails. Requirement assurance. The system analyst used the activity of requirement assurance to validate and verify the requirements with the user as being the real and essential requirements. A user walkthrough in which the system analyst and the user together review documented requirements in details in one assurance technique. Some important questions. Thank you.